Didn't even know that love was bigger. Didn't even know that love was so, hey, 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 this fire, it's burning, burning us up. Hey, this fire, it's burning, burning us up. So we made the hard decision, and we each made an incision past our muscles and our bones. Stars were little stones. Pulled them out, they weren't beating, and we weren't even bleeding. As we laid them on a granite countertop, we beat them up against each other. We beat them up against each other. We struck